Alright folks, quick question. Tired of endless hand washing? Let me share my secret weapon, the EUHOMY portable dishwasher. Total game changer for my busy life. So picture this, I've got 5 kids, meals whiz across plates like lightning, and voila, EUHOMY steps right in. 5 versatile programs handle anything from super fast snack preps to heavy duty dinner chaos. Trust me, fast mode saves my sanity in 29 minutes flat. Living room turned dining hall during homeschool? No problem. At 1683 x 16.73 x 18.03 inches, this compact marvel cleans over 30 dishes at once. Seriously, lifesaver. It fits anywhere, from tiny apartments to RV road trips. Oh, and water supply worry? Solved. Go tank mode for smaller loads or hook straight to the faucet for unlimited runs. Pure genius, right? My kind of hassle-free magic. Ready to say goodbye to dirty dishes stress? Get yourself a EUHOMY portable dishwasher today. Click now and join the Clean Plate Club. Trust me.